Hello, everyone, and welcome to my presentation on collaborative strategies in higher education instruction. Today, I will be discussing two main topics. The first focuses on curriculum collaboration, specifically how faculty and industry experts can work together to design relevant, high-quality programs. The second focuses on collaborative problem solving within academic environments, particularly when addressing faculty conflicts or communication barriers. Through this presentation, I'll highlight practical methods, communication strategies, and real-world applications that promote teamwork and improve student outcomes. The first part that we're going to be covering is the curriculum collaboration strategy. We'll be focusing on a specific program selection, an advisory committee overview, advisory committee members, justification for inclusion, collaboration strategies, and what the expected outcomes are for this. I chose the field of healthcare administration because it continues to evolve rapidly with advances in data systems, patient care technologies, and leadership expectations. This makes it essential that our academic programs reflect real-world changes. By incorporating practical leadership, ethics, and data management, we can ensure that graduates are prepared for the complexities of modern healthcare environments. The goal is to make learning both applicable and forward-thinking, bridging theory and practice. The advisory committee serves as a bridge between academic professional worlds. Its purpose is to guide curriculum revision so that our programs remain both rigorous and relevant. The committee should represent a balance of perspectives. Faculty bring pedagogical expertise, industry partners bring the current workforce insights, and student representatives ensure the curriculum meets learning needs. Together, the team ensures that every curriculum change reflects the best practices and current demands. The advisory committee members will consist of three key stakeholders. The faculty member provides academic oversight, ensuring that our visions align with institutional and accreditation requirements. The healthcare administrator brings essential expertise from the field, offering a lens into what employers truly need from graduates. And finally, the student representative provides a voice for learners, ensuring that the curriculum remains engaging, accessible, and applicable to their goals. Each perspective is essential for a well-rounded, inclusive process. It's important to understand why each member belongs at the table. Faculty safeguard the educational mission, maintaining accreditation standards and high academic expectations. Administrators link classroom learning with actual workplace needs, helping us design courses that prepare students for leadership positions. Meanwhile, the students bring an authentic perspective, sharing how curriculum content and delivery methods impact their learning experiences. Together, these voices ensure that curriculum reform is collaborative and forward-thinking. The first collaboration strategy centers around structure and communication. Monthly virtual meetings will allow consistent input without overwhelming participants. To make these meetings productive, an agenda will be distributed 1 week in advance, outlining discussion topics and goals. After each meeting, minutes and action items will be sent within 48 hours to keep everyone accountable. This system encourages efficiency, ensures transparency, and helps prevent any kind of miscommunication or redundancy in the discussion. The second strategy focuses on using technology to streamline collaboration. Google Workspace allows simultaneous document editing, making it ideal for drafting syllabi or course objectives in real time. Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, creates a digital hub for messages, file sharing, and virtual discussions. These platforms help maintain engagement even outside of meetings, fostering a sense of shared responsibility. Most importantly, they ensure accessibility for both in-person and remote participants, eliminating barriers to contribution. By implementing these collaborative strategies, the outcomes will be impactful. The revised curriculum will be both academically rigorous and directly aligned with industry standards. This process allows us to strengthen relationships between faculty and industry professionals, encouraging future partnerships for internships, guest lectures, and joint research. Ultimately, the goal is to improve student employability and ensure graduates are competitive in a rapidly changing market. Part two is collaborative problem solving. We will be looking at a scenario that will then need a need problem statement. We'll be looking at the stakeholders involved, some communication tools that can be implemented, meeting considerations, conflict resolution strategies, and the expected outcomes. For the second section, I selected a common issue in higher education, which would be the conflict between adjunct and full-time faculty over course consistency. Adjunct instructors often bring valuable professional experience but may feel excluded from decision making. Meanwhile, full-time faculty may feel responsible for maintaining academic quality and standardization. This scenario provides an excellent opportunity to use collaborative strategies to improve communication, inclusion, and curriculum cohesion. So the core need is to foster inclusion while maintaining consistency. We must ensure that all instructors understand and meet program learning outcomes while still allowing flexibility in teaching methods. Our goal is to develop shared expectations that ensure every section of a course provides comparable learning experiences. Balancing consistency and individuality will help build trust among faculty and create a cohesive student experience. Our collaboration plan involves three primary stakeholders. The department chair will act as a neutral facilitator, guiding discussions and maintaining focus on institutional goals. Full-time faculty will contribute by sharing curriculum expertise and assessment expectations. Adjunct faculty will provide on-the-ground feedback from the classroom experiences, offering ideas that may improve engagement and real-world application. Each participant plays a vital role in shaping and unifying the teaching community. So to promote communication, we'll use Microsoft Teams as our main platform for chat, document collaboration, and video meetings. Additionally, SurveyMonkey will allow faculty to share anonymous feedback on proposed changes. These tools encourage transparency and inclusivity, ensuring that every voice can be heard without fear of judgment. Digital tools also maintain documentation, helping track progress and maintaining accountability. Meetings will be held bi-weekly for 1 hour, providing enough frequency to maintain momentum without overwhelming schedules. We can use a hybrid format to accommodate both on-campus and remote faculty. To ensure equity, we'll rotate facilitators so that everyone has an opportunity to lead discussion. Shared notes will be accessible to all participants for review and transparency. This approach fosters engagement, accountability, and a sense of shared ownership. For resolving conflict, I'll use an interest-based negotiation as described by Fisher and Yuri. This method shifts the focus from personal position to shared interests. Instead of debating who is right, the group will explore how to meet the collective goals, such as student success, curriculum integrity, and faculty satisfaction. We'll document agreed upon standards and develop a timeline for implementation. The process will build a mutual respect and long-term collaboration. By applying this collaboration plan, faculty relationships will strengthen, morale will rise, and consistency across courses will improve. Students will benefit from a cohesive learning experience regardless of instructor. Over time, this strategy will establish a transparent communication culture that values inclusivity, shared responsibility, and professional respect. For more information on where some of these ideas came from, here are my references. Thank you for watching.